Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a rain effect in After Effects. Here you can see that I have After Effects open on my window. Now go to the Media pool and press Ctrl+I. Select the media that you want to create a rain effect for. Now drag that file to the timeline. Suppose I want to create the rain effect for this background. To do this, go to the Layer menu. Next, click on New, then select Solid. In this pop-up, you can set a width and height for the solid layer, but I will leave it as it is. Click on the Color option and make sure that it is selected as black. After you are done, click on OK and then OK again. Next, select the solid layer, then go to the Effects menu and click on Simulation. From here, select CC Rainfall. Now we need to change the layer mode. If you don't see these options, click on the Toggle Mode button below and you should see them. Next, click on the Mode dropdown for the solid layer and select Screen. Here you can see that there are already some drops visible on the clip. Now we will edit the effect in Effect Controls. Here, drop means the number of drops that will appear on the clip. Currently, it's set to 5,000, but I will change this to 1,500. Size means the size of the drops. I will set the size to 10. Scene depth means the range in which the raindrops are generated. I will change it to 8,000. Next, change the speed to 700, which will give a little bit of angle to the raindrops. Lastly, change the opacity to 100%. Now, if I play the video, you can see that the rain effect has been created successfully. By following these steps, you can create a rainfall effect easily. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.